Yo, what's up? It's Alex W here, and just got some Ytrucks from Mike A. Still in the package. Yeah, I traded him a Berlin wood set up with Black River trucks and substances just for these. So yeah, it's a pretty big trade going on, but I'll unbox them right now.
Untouched by man.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Until opened by Alice Winterstein.
So ready for these. Alright.
So what to do?
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Hey, just shut the hell up.
Oh.
Before I kill you.
Oh hell yeah.
You don't gotta go crazy about it.
These look superb, man. Oh yeah, auto lock bolts right there. Alright. So yeah, it's pretty gnarly ass pair of trucks right there. Alright.
Shock, dude. I'm seriously gonna shock.
No, you're not.
I keep thinking about it.
Dude, shut the hell up. And they got 5 Ytrucks stickers.
That are gonna be my gaze.
And why the hell are the tools rusting? I hate when they do this. The 2 tools.
Let me just see that.
Get out of here. And the screws. So yeah, I'm gonna set this this G12 wide premium up, practically brand new, and I'm gonna set them up G6X's. Yeah, alright.
You're so gay, dude. You're so damn lucky, kid. Alright, end it. That's done. One last pick.